Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the build and package so you can step into code immediately. Set your solution to debug, turn off optimizations, and generate full PDBs. Once done, pack the project and drop the NuPKG into a local folder configured as a Nuget source. Make sure Visual Studio's tools right arrow options, right arrow debugging, right arrow symbols includes that folder or a symbol server. This ensures the debugger can find symbols and map code to your package before you hit breakpoints. You now focus on telling Visual Studio where code and symbols live so stepping works reliably. Point the symbol file locations to your local package folder and add Microsoft symbol servers for system code. Enable source server support and enable just my code only when appropriate. This helps map code lines. Next, install the local NuPKG into the consumer project, rebuild, and clear the symbol cache to force fresh PDB loading. Doing this removes stale mappings and makes step-into behave predictably. You finish by actually attaching and verifying step-through behavior. Start debugging the consumer, set breakpoints where the NuGet package is called, and press step-into to enter package code. If you don't land in your code, open modules, inspect the loaded assembly, and verify the PDB path and timestamp match your build. If mismatches persist, repack with embedded sources or enable source link so the debugger can fetch exact source files. One key troubleshooting tip: always clear the symbol cache and rebuild before.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.